What's up, guys? I know it's been a long time since an update, so this one's been a long time coming. I'm actually down here at the backyard burn pile using the blue truck to burn off a bunch of cardboard and stuff that we have laying around. But yeah, it's been a long time since I've done an update on this truck. It's very dirty right now, but I got my white walls on, and then actually my upholstery is in. And it turned out great. It turned out really, really good. This thing has been running and driving great, and really been enjoying it. Again, I need to wash it, and that will happen today. But the real point of this video is to give an update on the other truck. It's actually been completed, and let's go up there and check that one out. Well, here is the 62. You see, it's two-tone now. The customer wanted two-tone, but I wanted to keep the original patina that was on the white that was down here, so kind of worked it back in to the new aqua lacquer that's on there. And I'm really excited about how this one turned out. The tailgate, of course, was completely rotted. You may have seen in previous videos. So I built some patches, and this is all new here, and then this here. And I just left some of the welds exposed and everything. I think it looks pretty cool. Kind of fits with the whole theme of this truck. The bed is raised, not a whole lot. Definitely still usable for sure. And then by using the Crown Vic trunk, got a little storage area down in here, which is going to come in handy. Just used I think I covered it in the previous video, but just some barbecue hinges there. And yeah, works well. Definitely a usable bed. Moving on up to the interior here. Very nice upholstered seat. This is a complete custom using the original seat frame. The upholsterer built a whole new. He worked with the customer to design what he wanted. And very handy. We got little pockets back here. We got the hidden stereo system back there. It was nice notching into the frame because then we get to retain the whole stepwell here, which is nice. There's a lot of things that I learned from this truck that I put into this truck that makes it more usable, more user-friendly. We've got the vintage air system, the speed hut gauges. This thing just cruises so nice. Got all new door seals, all new anti-rattlers. New gasket here, just make it more functional. It still sounds like an old truck on the inside when driving it around, but much better with these anti-rattlers replaced and the door seals. I really dig the patina on this one. If mine had looked this good, I probably wouldn't have painted mine, but yeah, I think it works well on this one for sure. Taking it out on its last cruise before she goes off to her new home. Gonna miss this one, that's for sure. Under the hood here, just your standard 4.6 frame swap. Everything fits just so nice on these. As for the blue truck, I did install some 2-inch lowering springs in the back, and I really like the way the stance is now on that. The rear tires are 225/70s, and it really gave me a lot more room there for the guys that are doing unibodies. Gave me a lot more room. I don't have as much. It's not near as tight up in here. The 235s are what's standard on the Crown Vic. So going to 225s, brought it in quite a bit. And on the front, I went with 205 65s. So now I have tons of room and it doesn't rub at all. And these are simply the Diamondback radials. And I've been really happy with them. I used the same set of Diamondback radials on this, and as well as the 2-inch drop. Did a 2-inch drop in the back for this stance. I'll put a link in the description to those springs. They're really affordable and Gives these things a nice stance. This thing is definitely a cruiser. My upholstery guy actually matched the color pretty close. It looks really good, and I'm really into it. I still need to figure out something with the bed. I haven't really, this thing kind of got shoved in a corner while working on the other one. And for those wondering where I've been all this time, we did welcome a daughter February. She was born 2/22/22. So I've been very busy. Every little bit of free time I had, I just kind of kept my head down and was working on this. Because in reality, setting up the shots, getting the audio right, editing, all that cuts into the little bit of free time I have to actually get work done on the truck. And I wanted to get this done before wintertime. So that kind of explains why I've been so silent on here. But I do apologize for that. But thank you for those who've reached out and checked to see if I was still alive. Appreciate it. As for my winter project, the family and I wanted a camper, just a little pop-up, and wasn't going to buy a new one, so found one with extensive roof damage. As you can see up in there, there was a leak right around where this fan was, and water got in there, and it pretty much just ruined that whole area of the top and the floors, which I've now replaced. But yeah, this is going to be the winter project, so we can start doing some camping adventures in the springtime. Got it dirt cheap, obviously, due to all the damage. And you can see all the wonderful rotted wood I've been pulling out of the roof. It's got a stovetop, an oven, microwave, fridge, all the necessities, I guess. And even a bathroom and a pop-up, but okay. And it's got a nice little slide-out unit, which is really nice on these pop-ups. You need all the room you can get in these. And a power top, which is very handy, no cranking. But yeah, the plan is just to build a whole new top. That'll be fun. Already got the AC unit off and over there, and obviously ripping into the roof. But yeah, I figured for 1,100 bucks, it's definitely worth the gamble. It'd be a fun way to stay busy over the winter time. If you guys would be interested in seeing any of this project, I know camper stuff can be kind of boring, but if you'd be interested in seeing any of this, I could film some of that for sure. They do make a nice couple, that's for sure. There's so much to like about this truck that I really am gonna miss it when it's gone. This one was definitely a fun project. And again, like I said, I hate to see it go, but it's gotta go. I'm sure my friend is ready to get his hands on it, and I can't blame him for that, for sure. I apologize, there wasn't a whole lot of content on this one, but guys, again, it's just so little free time with everything that's been going on. But it's ready to go live its new life. But as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next one.